Let's go. Hi guys, I'm Zoha and welcome to Zoha Insight. I hope you all are doing great and are in best of your health. Today I'll be sharing huge Nykaa new makeup haul. So all the makeup products that I'm sharing with you lovely people is actually new launch, and some of them are not a new launch product. They are new to me because I bought them for the first time to review for you lovely people. There are almost 35 plus products. You can see this tray, it is full of new makeup products and it's very heavy. So just grab a cup of coffee or snack and enjoy watching, and now let's get started. A month back, K-Beauty launched their matte blushes and I bought 3 shades. So first is Sugar Candy, then Soft Nude and Mild Berry. 3 of the shades are very beautiful and will flatter all Indian skin tones, and each one is priced at 799 rupees, and I bought it in 10% discount on the day it launched in 719 rupees approx. And I have also uploaded a detailed review video on 3 of these, and if you haven't watched that video then I'll link it in I button for you, and I'm sure that you will love watching that video. So I'm not going to open these right now because I have already done that video, so you must check that video for all the details about these blushes. With K-Beauty matte blushes, I also bought K-Beauty matte lipstick. This launched right before the blushes and I got the shade Suspense. It's a beautiful nude pink shade and the packaging is also really classy. And I got just 1 shade because I wanted to try the formula first, and it's very lightweight and hydrating matte. I like it, and this one is priced at 999 rupees. With my K-Beauty purchase, I got 2 lip toppers free because I placed 2 different orders. I ordered all 4 of these products in 2 different orders. That's why I got 2 lip toppers free, and I got the shade Leading Lady. This is how it looks like. In that K-Beauty matte blush video, I have used the lipstick and this lip topper as well as an eyeshadow, so you must watch that video. So yeah, this is the free gift which I got with my purchase, and each one is priced at 699 rupees. Very recently, K-Beauty also launched their matte compacts, and these are beautiful matte compacts, not at all drying, not at all heavy. They are very soft and finely milled, looks beautiful on skin. I have also done a review video, detailed review video on this. So I'll link that video as well in I button for you. And I got my shade that is 100N Light and I love it. You must watch that video. Also, summer is coming up, so matte compacts are very essential for many of us beauties, and this one is priced at 799 rupees, and surprisingly there was no 10% off on the day it launched, but I still bought this to review for you lovely people. Next, I bought few products from Nykaa Cosmetics, and first one is from the recent launches, that is Nykaa Color and Care Nail Enamel, and this is from their breathable range. And first shade is this mustard yellow kind of shade, that is Downtime Daisy 330. Second is Peach Pause, that is 319, and third, which I'm wearing on my nails, that is Minty Fresh 329. I bought 3 of these shades by keeping summer season in mind. These 3 shades look super fresh on nails, and I have used just one, but I can say that these 2 colors are also very fresh and summer-like. So that's why I bought these, and I'll definitely upload a review video on these super soon. Each one is priced at 199 rupees and there was no discount on these. Next is a repurchase, that is Nykaa Double Duty 2-in-1 coat. This can be used as a top coat and as a base coat as well. After applying nail paint, when I apply this on my nails, my nail paint lasts more than a week, which is great, and also I like to apply it sometimes on bare nails and my nails look super fresh and nice. I'm already using one from quite a long time and it's half, and I wanted to have a backup as well. So I saw that this is out of stock for so long, and when I saw that it came in stock, that's why I bought it, and this is priced at 249 rupees. Next is Nykaa Glamorize Eye Pencil in the shade Bronze Beam 08. It's a beautiful formula. You must try this because I have also used another shade. That one is Jade Jinx. It's a beautiful peacock green kind of a color, and I have created a makeup look by using that eye pencil on my Instagram. So if you haven't watched that makeup tutorial, then do follow me on Instagram and give it a watch. And this particular shade is something you won't get on discount easily, and it's like almost always out of stock. And when I saw that it's back in stock, that's why I bought it. It's a beautiful bronze brown chocolatey color and I love it. This one is priced at 450 rupees with no discount at all. Next I have again newly launched product from Nykaa. This is Nykaa Like It Long Lengthening Mascara. It's a beautiful mascara I'm wearing on my eyelashes today. You can see it's super beautiful, lengthening, waterproof, non-clumping and non-smudging. I love it, and I have uploaded a detailed review video on this. If you haven't watched that video, then you must watch it. And I got quite a lot of DMs that many people liked that video, so I'll link that video in I button for you. This one is priced at 399 rupees and there was no discount on launch day, but I'm sure that Nykaa will definitely come up with good discount on this, and it's super affordable because the quality you're getting is absolutely amazing. With my Nykaa Cosmetics purchase, I received this Nykaa Matte to Last Metallic Liquid Lipstick in the shade Umbrella Free. This is the full-sized one. I also have a mini version of this in other two shades, and I love this formula of metallic liquid lipstick because I like to use this as an eyeshadow actually, and I love them a lot. Do let me know in the comment box if you want me to review these metallic liquid lipsticks. I would love to do it for you. Also, I haven't even shared my Nykaa Pink Friday sale and Diwali sale because I haven't bought a lot of product at a one go. I have purchased products like few products at a time, and I will definitely upload a huge haul video super soon by combining all those products together. Next two products are from Color Bar, and here is Color Bar Just Smoky Kajal in the shade 008, Just Marcella, and I wanted to upload few really amazing makeup looks for you lovelies, and for that I want to have this kind of plum shade kajal, and this is also having smudger on the other side. So yeah, that's why I bought this. And if you haven't watched any of my makeup looks, then just have a look at my YouTube channel Zoha Insight, and I'm sure that you will like some makeup looks. This one is priced at 675 rupees and I bought it in 540 rupees approx. And next one is Color Bar All Matte Eyeliner in the shade 002 Matte Brown. This one also comes in two other shades, that is Matte Black, which I wanted to buy really soon, and one is Matte Blue if you want to buy that. So this is a very matte brown eyeliner. It dries down really quickly, but it is super beautiful and I love the formula. I wore this first in my K-Beauty Compact review video, so if you want to see how it looks on eyes, just watch that video and you will get the idea. So this comes like this, like a liquid liner, and it is very precise and super beautiful. I like it. This one is priced at 700 rupees and I bought it in 560 rupees. Next two products I bought are from LA Girl. First is LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. I actually bought a peach shade that works as a corrector, which I'm wearing today. And the second one is actually a concealer in the shade Pure Beige. So after lockdown, whichever base product I bought, like foundation, concealer and compact powder, I actually bought a perfect shade for myself and I'm very proud of that. I actually researched quite a lot on how to select perfect shade for you online without testing, of course. So if you want me to upload a detailed video on this particular topic, then do let me know in comment box. And I absolutely love the formula of these. I'm wearing these underneath my makeup, and this corrector is so beautiful. I also love Nykaa Peach Corrector. So if you want me to do a comparison video between Nykaa Peach Corrector and LA Girl Peach Corrector, then do let me know in comment box. And this concealer is also super amazing. I'm wearing this right now and it is an exact shade for myself. Also, if you have skin tone like me, then this pure beige shade might suit you as well. I'll add purchase links of all these products that I'm mentioning in this video in description box for you. These are priced at $695 each, and it's really tough to get discount on these, and you have to check again and again for good deals. And if you get a really good deal on this, yeah, you can grab them. Next two products are from PAC. I actually bought two of them together. This is Ultimate Blender Sponge Beauty Applicator. Let me open it and show you. This comes in this kind of plastic jar container. It's very flimsy, and yeah, it's like a secure case. I like it. And this also comes with a black pouch, very travel friendly, and inside you get two different blenders. One is teardrop shape and another one is in olive cut shape. So this is also something that I wanted to try for so long, and whenever I used to add this in my cart before the payment process and checking out, it goes out of stock, like almost all the time. So when I saw that this is back in stock, I bought two of them together. This is priced at $745 each, and I got it in 708 rupees. Next, I bought products from Huda Beauty, and I was eyeing on this particular launch from so long, from the day one when Huda launched it officially. And these are Huda Beauty Haze Obsessions 9-pan eyeshadow palette. I have one is in khaki variant and another one is in purple variant. I love both of them. One more variant is there, that is Sand Haze Obsessions, and that particular one was not, I felt that I should grab immediately, you know, because many shades in that particular pan is very pale for my liking. I might buy in future, I don't know, but yeah, right now these two are my favorite already before trying them, and I'm very happy for this. This is priced at 2,400 rupees each, and this launched on 3rd anniversary in India on Nykaa. So there was an offer that you will get a mini liquid lipstick free with your purchase. I got my favorite shade, that is Icon. This is liquid matte lipstick, and one more offer was there that if your purchase amount exceeds 2,500 rupees, you will get one full-sized lipstick free, which again I received in my very favorite shade, that is Chika from their Demi Matte range. This one is priced at 1,825 rupees, which I got for free, and this is roughly around 800, but you won't get mini version for sale, like each piece for sale. They have a set of 4 if you want to buy them. So yeah, you must check on Nykaa for really good deals on Huda Beauty, because right now also they are running some really cool offers up to 50% off something, so you must check it out. And yes, for these palettes I will definitely upload a review video super soon, and will definitely create some amazing makeup looks for you. I love this. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Then I bought quite a lot of products from e.l.f. Cosmetics. e.l.f. recently launched in India exclusively on Nykaa, and this is a very beautiful drugstore brand in abroad, and I'm very happy that this finally launched in India. And I bought quite a lot of products, and I have uploaded a first impressions video on all these products that I'm sharing with you right now. So if you haven't watched my first impressions video on e.l.f. Cosmetics, then video link is in I button for you. So first two are e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow Quads. One is in the variant Cream and Sugar, and this is in the variant Berry Bad. And I really like them. These are really handy, travel friendly, and each one is priced at 400 rupees. And I think this particular thing I mentioned in my first impressions video as well, that it's a drugstore brand, and we know that they double up their price. They doubled up their price in India. So, but still, the thing which I mentioned in that video is actually they are doing, that is, they are coming up with really good discounts such as 10%, 15% and 20% off as well, and sometimes with free products with your purchase. So I think this is a really good thing. So yeah, zarur try kijiye. You must try e.l.f. products. I love them, and these are the must-haves. Next, I bought e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade variant Ocean Eyes, and this one is priced at 700 rupees. And for my very first thoughts, to know my very first thoughts, you must watch that particular video, and I'll definitely upload some really cool makeup looks with this. Now here I have one of my very favorite products from e.l.f. Cosmetics, that is e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer in the shade Brightening Lavender. I love it. It's my favorite in first impressions as well. It was something that I really enjoyed using, and after that I have used it quite a lot of times and I love it a lot. So this one is priced at 800 rupees, and I think it's a must buy if you are looking for a good tone adjusting face primer, and this also comes in green variant. Another favorite product, hands down, from e.l.f. Cosmetics is their e.l.f. Metallic Flare Highlighter in the shade White Gold. It's a beautiful shade, I must say, and this is priced at 800 rupees again. And there is a trick to apply this particular highlighter. At very first few uses you won't be able to see much pigment, but there is a trick to get an amazing pigment from this highlighter, which I have shared in my first impressions video. So yeah, it's my new favorite and I love it. As I am on a hunt of really good loose powders, and I'm very happy that e.l.f. is also having a loose powders which they launched in India, and I bought the e.l.f. HD powder in the shade Sheer. This is a translucent loose powder, and this is also priced at 800 rupees, and it is very soft and finely milled. It doesn't have any coverage. Of course, it's a translucent loose powder and it gives really nice blurry effect. Not too much, but yes, slight bit. And yeah, I love this as well. Now I have quite a lot of lip products, especially lipsticks, which we all lovely beauties love to wear, right? Starting off with e.l.f. Lip Exfoliator in the variant Brown Sugar. This also comes in two other variants. One is some fruity variant, berry kind of, and another one is in coconut variant, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I like this as well, and it's very gentle on lips yet very moisturizing, nourishing on lips. I really like to use this twice a week. It's really great. This is priced at 600 rupees, and I think this is actually a worth buying product. Next, I have e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade variant Sparkling Rosé. It's basically a product which, when you apply on your lips, it gives a tingling sensation and makes your lips look a bit fuller. This is not very extreme or gives any kind of burning sensation. I have used it like few times. You can see it's empty till here, and I like the feel of it. It's very moisturizing, and it doesn't give a lot of plumping effect, like slight bit, and it looks actually very beautiful. So yeah, this also comes in quite a few other shades as well. So if you're looking for very mild lip plumping gloss, then this is a must buy. Also, this is priced at 800 rupees. Next is e.l.f. Lip Lacquer in the shade Moody. If you're looking for a beautiful lip gloss, then just go and grab this. This is having a beautiful peachy brown kind of tint to it. It's not very sheer and not very opaque and still very moisturizing, and lips looks very juicy. I love the feel of this, and this also comes in quite a few other shades as well, and this is priced at 400 rupees, which I think is really good as per the quality. Yes. Next I have Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Coffee Edition. I love coffee. I really like coffee. I am also a chai person, but more than chai, I like coffee. Yeah. So do let me know in comment box if you are a chai lover or coffee lover. Yeah. And in this particular range, Maybelline launched 6 shades, but in India they only launched 4 shades, and I purchased all 4 of them to review for you lovely people. So let me quickly share shade names with you. So first is Hazelnut Hypnotizer 260. Then I have Caramel Collector in 265. Then next is Cocoa Connoisseur in 270, and this is Mocha Inventor in 275. Do let me know in comment box if you want me to review these super soon and make a really nice detailed review and swatch video for you. And each one is priced at 650 rupees if I'm not wrong. Yes, and I got it in 30% off, that is 455 rupees. Yes. Next I have 3 liquid lipsticks from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and these are the matte liquid lipsticks. I love the formula. They are very matte and still not at all drying. Very good and very opaque in just one swipe. So first I got in the shade Marvelous. Next is Praline. And last one is Berry Sorbet. And actually when the e.l.f. Cosmetics launched in India, I bought it on the very first day because they were having buy 2 get 1 free offer. So I bought 2 shades and got 1 free with my purchase. And yeah, each one is priced at 800 rupees. So these are all those products which are newly launched on Nykaa. Many of them I have reviewed already, and others I will review super soon for you. And if you want me to review some of these products like really quickly, then do let me know in comment box. And yeah, I hope you liked watching this video. I hope you found this video enjoying, and if you enjoyed this video, then like, share, comment your beautiful words. Let me know in comment box which products you like the most, and yeah, do subscribe for more such videos. I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.